In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field required in DocuSign. If you want to make sure a signer cannot skip an important part of your document, setting a field as required is the best way to do it. This is especially useful for items like signatures, dates, or text fields that must be completed before the signing process can be finished. I'll walk you through the full process from creating the envelope to sending the document. To begin, log into DocuSign and click Start. This will take you into the setup process for creating a new document request. Once you're there, choose Envelope from the available options. An envelope in DocuSign is simply the container that holds your document, recipients, and signing fields. Next, choose Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document to someone else so they can review it and complete the required fields. After that, upload the document you want to send for signing. Make sure you select the correct file, because this is the version your recipient will receive. Once the document has been added, enter the recipient's name and email address. This tells DocuSign who needs to receive and complete the document. Double check the email before moving forward so the envelope goes to the right person. Now click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you'll add and customize the fields that appear on the document. From the Fields panel, choose the field you want to make required. This could be a signature field, a text field, or something like date signed, depending on what information you need from the recipient. After selecting the field, drag it onto the correct location in the document. Try to place it clearly and neatly so it's obvious to the signer what needs to be completed. Good placement helps avoid confusion and can make the signing experience much smoother. With the field in place, click on it to open the field properties. Here, turn on the Required setting. This is the key step. When a field is marked as required, the recipient will not be able to complete the signing process until that field has been filled in. Once everything looks correct, click Send to send the envelope. Your recipient will receive the document and will be prompted to complete the required field before they can finish signing. That's all it takes to make a field required in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.